Most marriages don't fail suddenly. They fail slowly from things people ignore. Now, some people go into marriages based on feelings, not knowing that love alone is not enough. You are in a relationship with someone, and then you are seeing some red flags. You know that these things, you cannot manage these things in marriage. You don't even, this is not you at all. You can't even tolerate these things. But because of love, I love him, I love her, it's going to work because I love this person. He's going to change when I love him in this way. When I show him so much love or show her so much love, he or she is going to change. It doesn't work that way. Love alone can't do it. While some people go into marriages because of money. Now, these people are so driven by money that they don't even sit down to think about this person they are going into this marriage with. Like, oh, how does this person think? How does he react to things? What is the level of his understanding? How does this person treat me? They don't ask that question. They are just driven by money. Because he has money or she has money, I must marry this person. And at the end of the day, you see them regretting. The money is there, but the peace is not there. They don't have peace. There is no joy. There is no wholeness. They are feeling neglected and all that. And then some people go into marriages because of pressure. Oh, I'm getting too old, or family pressure, or people around them pressuring them to get married. Or they are seeing other people that are married and they're like, oh, I must get married because this person is married. Now, those people that are pressuring you, when you start to suffer in that marriage, when you start going through problems, they won't be there with you. You are the only person that is going to face these things. If that marriage is good, if that marriage is bad, it is only you that will experience these things. These people will not experience it for you, with you. And then people that say, oh, I'm so old, I need to get married. What's the point of being married if you don't have peace? What's the point of being married and lose your peace? What's the point of being married and lose yourself in that marriage because you are married? So you see, it's not worth it. Please don't let anyone or anything pressure you into getting married. Now, here are 3 major things that quietly destroys marriages. And number 1 is unmet expectations. Some people go into marriages expecting their spouses to heal what only God can heal. Now, you're coming from somewhere or another relationship where you have been hurt badly, and instead of you healing, you carry it into your next relationship or your marriage, and you're expecting the person to heal you. Nobody can heal you. You can only ask God to help you, and you work on it yourself as well. And you can't even expect your partner to be a mind reader. You have to communicate these things to them. You have to let them know how you feel or what you are feeling. They are not mind readers. So you need to let them know, or you need to open your mouth and talk. Now, the second thing is lack of communication. You see silence, you see pride, you see assumptions. These things, they kill intimacy. So your partner did something that hurt you. Instead of you communicating with your partner or letting them know how they have wronged you, instead you kept silent. You kept on accumulating the hurts. You kept on accumulating those things. And at a point you begin to see that you start to have this kind of hatred. You start to have resentment towards your partner, all because you were silent, because you didn't communicate. And again, there's nothing you are doing with pride in your marriage. Don't be proud. Take away pride. Take away pride. These things, they kill your marriage faster than you think. Oh, I'm not going to say I'm sorry. Oh, he's the first to do. Oh, he did me first. Or she did me first. I'm not going to apologize. Why will I say I'm sorry? No, don't do that. And again, stop assuming. Stop assuming things that you don't know. Learn to communicate. If your partner is doing something that you feel is wrong, or she is doing something that you are not sure of, you feel like, oh, your partner is cheating on you whenever they are always on their phone. Instead of you saying, hey, you are cheating on me, you started, you are doing, just ask them politely and respectfully in a more calm tone. Talking is not the same as communicating. Speak from feelings, not blame. Instead of saying, oh, you don't care about me anymore, instead say, I feel loved when we spend time together. Or you could say, I feel lonely when we don't spend time together. The third and final one is, no God, no spiritual unity. You see, when God is absent in your marriage, ego thrives. But when God is the foundation of your marriage, storms will come, but you'll find out that you'll be able to overcome the storms because God is involved. In 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 through 7, the Bible talks about love, kindness, patience, and forgiveness. You see, these qualities are what God helps couples maintain. If God is in your marriage, these things will be easier for you. But if God is not in your marriage, you find these things difficult for you to maintain in your marriage. When your spouse offends you, you find it difficult to forgive. When God is absent, these qualities are harder for you to live out consistently. Look, it's not over. Don't give up. What is broken can be rebuilt by God. You just need to make Him the foundation of your marriage. Thank you for watching. Like, comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post videos again. Thank you. Bye.